Assalamu alaikum viewers, how are you all, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are gonna discuss about 10 skills, the mostly needed skills of technology savvy. That how can you become a technology savvy through these skills. So let's proceed our video. Here we have 10 skills to become technology savvy. These are 10 helpful tips. What does it mean to be technology savvy? So basically, first of all, we have to know about what is technology savvy. So if a person is technology savvy, it means they have the right skills and initiative knowledge to operate modern devices effectively. It typically involves understanding technical concepts, then knowing how to apply them in different contexts. For example, you might use some general knowledge about software to figure out how to run a new computer or mobile application. Today, most tech-savvy individuals know how to operate basic hardware and software tools such as an operating system and website browser. So this was the definition of technology savvy, and then we have these 10 skills which are needed to be a technology savvy. The first skill is word processors. Word processors are software programs that allow you to compose words in a digital document, then format each page according to their specifications. So basically, word processor is about typing a document in digital form. Otherwise, you are writing it on your notepad or anything else. So the second skill needed is sending emails. To become tech savvy, it's often important for individuals to learn how to use an emailing account. So the second skill is about learning of using email account, and then we have third skill. The third skill is spreadsheets, and fourth one touch typing expertise, the digital presentations. So we have a presentation in soft copy, neither a hard copy, and then we have search engine knowledge, keyword shortcuts, HTML and CSS programming, virtual conferences, and the 10th one is social media. So these are the 10 skills needed to be a tech savvy. Thank you so much. Keep watching. Allah Hafiz.